It's a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. You're going to want to take the long way home in this adventurously civilized Cherokee. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, leather and metal look steering wheel, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Uconnect access, air conditioning, Uconnect access Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Uconnect with Bluetooth, and Tiger Shark multi-air engine. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. The Jeep life fits your life. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.